Today, we're diving into the top 5 best Sony cameras that are revolutionizing photography and videography. Whether you're a professional shooter, a content creator, or an enthusiastic hobbyist, Sony has something exceptional for you, from cinematic video beasts to ultra-detailed high-res still shooters. We'll break down each model's features, performance, and value to help you pick the perfect one for your needs. So, grab your favorite lens and let's jump into the best that Sony has to offer right now. Number 5. Sony Alpha 9 III Camera. The Sony Alpha 9 III introduces a world-first global shutter in a full-frame sensor, eliminating distortion from rolling shutter, especially important for high-speed subjects like sports or motorsports. This 24.6 megapixel Exmor RS BSI CMOS sensor reads all pixels simultaneously, ensuring razor-sharp results without skewing, even at 120 frames per second continuous shooting. It features flash sync at any shutter speed, AI subject recognition, and a blisteringly fast 1/80,000 second max shutter speed, unheard of in most systems. Whether shooting in bright light or trying to freeze split-second moments, the Alpha 9 III makes the impossible possible. Number 4. Sony Alpha 1 Cam. For those who want no compromise, the Sony Alpha 1 is the pinnacle. This flagship model boasts a 50.1 megapixel stacked Exmor RS sensor, enabling up to 30 frames per second continuous shooting with blackout-free EVF, ideal for sports, wildlife, and action photography. It is the first camera to feature a 240 frames per second viewfinder refresh rate and includes 8K 30p video recording, plus 4K 120p slow motion with full pixel readout. The Bion's XR processor provides blazing fast processing and incredible noise reduction. It features sensor shift image stabilization, dual card slots, and professional-level heat management. What makes it extraordinary is its versatility. You get top-tier performance in resolution, speed, and video quality all in one package. At $5,500, it is tailored to elite professionals. But if your work demands the best of every category, speed, sharpness, and cinematic quality, the Alpha 1 delivers beyond expectations. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7 RV Camera. If resolution is your top priority, the Sony Alpha 7 RV is unmatched. With a massive 61 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated Exmor R sensor, this camera captures astonishing detail, perfect for commercial, fashion, or landscape photography. What sets it apart is Sony's new AI-powered autofocus system, which uses deep learning for real-time recognition tracking. It not only tracks faces and eyes but understands body posture, making it superb for moving subjects. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7S III Camera. The Sony Alpha 7S III is engineered for filmmakers and content creators who shoot in extreme lighting conditions. With a 12.1 megapixel full-frame Exmor R sensor, it may not have the resolution of its siblings, but that's exactly the point. This camera is optimized for maximum sensitivity and minimal noise. Capable of shooting 4K video at 120 frames per second, with 10-bit 4:2:2 color, it delivers breathtaking slow motion with professional-grade color grading flexibility. Its dual native ISO allows for stunning low-light performance, while the Bion's XR processor ensures fast, accurate performance without lag, even during long shoots. The Alpha 7S III also features real-time IAF, a vari-angle LCD touchscreen, and a massive 9.44 million OLED viewfinder, one of the best in any mirrorless camera. Internal cooling allows for long-duration 4K recording without overheating. Another standout is its ability to record in XAVC-S, XAVC-HS, and all intra formats, ensuring compatibility with high-end post-production workflows. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV Camera. If you're looking for a perfect blend of photo and video performance, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is a powerhouse. Its 33 megapixel full-frame Exmor R sensor delivers stunning clarity with vibrant colors and high dynamic range, even in low light. Backed by Sony's latest Bion's XR processor, It offers an 8 times performance boost over its predecessor, ensuring smooth operation and real-time autofocus that locks onto eyes, human or animal, with incredible precision. Video creators will love its 7K oversampling for 4K 30p video, 10-bit 4:2:2 color, and S-Cinetone profile, which gives footage that cinematic look right out of the camera. With dual card slots, improved heat management, and a fully articulating LCD screen, the Alpha 7 IV is built for professionals who demand flexibility and reliability. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Gear Roundups, and turn on notifications for more expert gear reviews. See you in the next one.